stop. Third man, it's gone. Roshan Primus takes the catch, and that is one of the great overs that we have seen in this Hero CPL. Take a bow, Sohail Tombir. A brilliant over. Kane Williamson has just been told to hang on because they're going to look at the front foot.
Yeah, well, both Pakistanis, you think about Wahab Riaz, do get very close to that popping crease with that front planting foot. Here we go. It's miles behind, so really it's a non-entity. A superb over, finished off with the wicket of Kane Williamson. And sometimes they've got to look at the back foot too. This will be miles, so I don't know what's going on here. No problem whatsoever with the legality of the delivery. Fine, get another man in there.
He's gone this time. He's been given. Umpire's got his finger up and the batsman's got his back turned. Dwayne Smith's not interested, but he's going to have to walk. He got 100 in the last match against them. He hasn't got it this time. Tombir is on fire. He's unplayable. Ronke's taken the catch, and it's a forlorn walk back for Dwayne Smith. 2 tonight. It's 6 for 2.
They might be disappointed. What a delivery. What a delivery. Saw that against Williamson. Got turned around here, Dwayne Smith. And regardless of a nicking...
Morgan's first ball. Oh, I think that might have gone. It's a first baller. It's a long way from Tipperary to Barbados. And I'm just telling you, that's an Eldorado celebration that'll go long into the night. Guyana are all over Barbados. And Owen Morgan, oh dear. It's a first baller. It's 13 for 4.
It's going to throw in the movie call. Get the Irishman. And they have. What a peach. Absolutely dead-eye plum, if there ever was. Back foot, zeroing in. He
might cause an upset if he does it again. Has he touched it? Yes, he has. Umpire's gone up. This man is unplayable. Sohail Tombir. Have you ever seen bowling like this? He's got 4 for 1. And Pollard, he's gone for another one. That's a hat-trick ball for the next man in. It's 13 for 5.